G'day everybody, my name is Richard Simons. I'm here inside the beautiful indoor showroom at the Oldtimer Centre with a 2006 new-shaped Mercedes-Benz SLK200. That is the four-cylinder, but the compressor, the supercharged engine in silver with black. Lady owner previously, 150-odd thousand kilometres in 20 years, which is nothing. You do the maths, 7,500 a year. It's got little air conditioning vents in the headrest, the beautiful electric top, hard top that works perfectly, Zircon silver with black leather, Continental tyres, the headlights aren't all milky. It is a little cracker that's been serviced, detailed service history by Mercedes-Benz and, I've got the keys in, which is why it's singing out at me, and MotorServe. So that top works perfectly. Somebody's even put a little piece of material there. You can take that off. And what that is a sort of a bit of an extra weather protector there for those. I'll just put it on so you can see. It's quite a snazzy little aftermarket add-on. Don't mind that actually. Could have come probably directly from Mercedes-Benz. So that just gives you a little bit less of that reverberation inside the cockpit. The alloys are lovely, very well priced, this under 15 grand. The leather is beautiful. Now, I don't know, you'll have to forgive me if I'm wrong, if it's what's called an AMG edition, because it does have the stainless steel pedals, and most AMGs do. The bonnet opens up beautifully. It is a May 06, I don't have my goggles on, but the engine bay is beautiful. Under here is just gorgeous. The indicators in the wing mirrors are lovely. Climate control air conditioning that works for both sides of the vehicle. Now, you've got heated seats, heated scarf warming feature through the back headrest there. Now at 152,000 kilometres, rego till November, and only 13,990, this is an absolute bargain. What I love about SLKs is underneath here, you can still access that boot. If you've got a little bit of shopping, your shopping bags and so forth, you can still slip it in underneath that hardtop. I'm going to show you the hardtop operational, but they are not a model which is susceptible to issues with the hard top. They're a really, really reliable one. Previously in 2003 and 4 and 99s, they weren't as lucky, but Mercedes-Benz, as we all know, make the best cars in the world. Just because we're just giving it a wash, I don't like doing the videos when there's a little tiny bit of drippy-droppy everywhere, and there's certainly not much. So the Oldtimer Centre is the major sponsor of the Mercedes-Benz Car Club here in New South Wales. We hold technical days, special events, and we love doing that because they know that we get cars like this. They know that we get really good cars with really good histories. And if you want to join us at the Sydney German Auto Fest car show, it's on every year at Gough Whitlam Park in Earlwood, and we're the major sponsor of that as well. So let me grab that camera off the tripod, show off this gorgeous little car. Oh my God, they're a great size. Just have a look at this. Aussie delivered, all original. It's not a car with oil leaks, and it's not a car that leaks fluid anywhere. You can see here it's had everything up to date. Mercedes-Benz, Zircon silver, most popular colour. 17-inch alloy wheels. They will run on the fumes of an oily rag. There's your heat coming through there when you turn it on. Yeah, they don't use up a lot of fuel. Let's start it up. Automatic headlights, fog lights everywhere. You can see here, here's all the bizzos. Let's put that top on. I think it's there. Now, it doesn't take long. Vario roof is in operation. It's not due for a service for 15,000 kilometres, so that's at 167,000. Oh my God, this would put a horn on a jellyfish, ladies and gentlemen. Bluetooth, no navigation. It's got a horn, it's got 2 keys. Wow, power windows. Oh, look, I mean, okay, there's an SL350 there, which is an absolutely beautiful car. But come on, it's 3 times the price. I'm not saying we're overpriced. Woo! Love that clunk from Mercedes-Benz. So our business is at 29 to 31 Antoine Street, Rydalmere. We did win the local business award in the Parramatta region for automotive excellence. Look at that car with the hard top on. I mean, that is just sex on a stick. I'm going to show you also, once you do open that boot now, If you do want to increase the size, I think that's, yeah, there we go. And you can see there it's got a really lovely boot area. Then you just clip that back into place, pull down its bum, and there you go. Oh, look, I'm not just saying this. I say to some people, why don't you just buy this? It's such good value for money. Under $15,000 to have a sexy little two-seater convertible car in Sydney, pop down to Bondi Beach and jump in the waves with the sharks and whatever it is you want to do, and have a little swim. So the Oldtimer Centre will give you an extended warranty for 12 months. We will get this car thoroughly checked over. And you know, like the statute sort of says that you don't get a 3-month dealership warranty, but you won't need it. We've already checked it over. We will check it again. We will give you a 12-month warranty. And if something goes wrong in the first few weeks, just give us a call. 9569 9999. The PPSR is the Public Property Securities Register. We check everything extremely thoroughly. We make sure that there is, you know, no money owing, no fines owing, no e-toll notices or anything like that. We do have RTA services here in our office, so it will allow you to transfer the beautiful new Mercedes into your name. Do a plate swap if you like, if for some reason you would like a lovely yellow number plate, which I don't actually understand anybody in their right frame of mind who would want that, but that is just personal preferences, as they say. If you're on the M4, M2, M5, M7, you will end up at the Oldtimer Centre. Even if you're on the ferry, you'll get here, but it does take 8 hours to get from Circular Quay to Rydalmere for some reason. And that's not because you're stopping at Cockatoo Island. So as the major sponsor of this car club, we think that you should give us a call. We are getting some fabulous Google reviews. We're really proud of those. Christian and I are here pretty much every day, just not Sundays. And you can see from the sort of cars that we've got, we do mean business. We love doing what we do. We've got 140s, 107s, 116s, beautiful 230s, and they're all the model codes. Even a lovely 126560 up the back. So check out our website. If you're on YouTube, we are www.old.com.au. We've got a detailer and a panel beater across the road who West Orange Motors send all of their cars from Orange to him to get their work done. Lovely German guy. Always has a joke that I don't do any work, which is funny. And love making these videos. We have in the next street to us a mechanic who specialises in Mercedes-Benz. So you are dealing with a bunch of people that are caries. We know what we're doing, and we're just going to really, really look forward to meeting you and taking you for a drive in the beautiful SLK200 Kompressor.